Are you confused about which eyeshadow brush to use where? Today I'm going to teach you about blending brushes. These are usually fluffy, dome-shaped, and come in a variety of different sizes. If you have a larger crease space, you want to use a larger brush. If you have a smaller crease space, then you probably want to use a medium or a small blending brush. Welcome back to part 2 of our blending brush series. Now that you know what size to use in your crease, let's talk about what colors to use with which brush and where. Your largest blending brush should always be used with your lightest colored shadows. These are called transition shades and they help your shadows look more blended. Your medium-sized blending brush will be a little stiffer, less fluffy, but better for controlling your application. These are great for mid-tone eyeshadow colors and for defining the crease. Your smallest blending brush is best suited for your darkest shadows. This will allow you to have control over precisely where you want to place those dark shades so they don't end up all over your eye. Are you not able to figure out why your shadow doesn't look as vibrant as it could be? I'm going to show you 2 techniques today. Using MAC Fix Plus, spray a flat shader brush and really pack on the color onto your brush till it looks pasty. Then what you want to do is press it on your lid and slide it with a little pressure. This is going to give you the best color payoff. Do you want lashes that look like this, but always end up with this? I'm going to teach you a pro tip on how to get long, separated looking lashes. Start by curling your lashes as close to the roots as possible. This is key. Use a lengthening mascara and apply a very light coat to only the tips and not the roots. Lastly, and most importantly, make sure your lashes are semi-dry before applying a second coat of mascara. This will ensure that your lashes can hold all the extra product.